Hey guys, Average Bo here. I'm gonna show you a little DIY on my son's first truck. It's a 94 F-150 4x4 and it's got the common, let's see if we can, rust problem here. It's not all the way through, as you can see. I'm gonna take a wire brush and I got some acid etch primer and some white vinegar. I'm gonna sand it down and then eventually Raptor line it. So this is just to take care of it for right now, but we'll get started on it. I'm gonna sand the rust off right here with our wire brush. Got one place that's almost through right there. It's got a little hole. But I'm hoping this will slow it down enough to last a couple years anyways. Okay, as you can see right there, has a couple little small pinholes, which I know is not good, but we're gonna try to slow it down and cover it with Raptor liner. I'm gonna put some acid etch primer on it. And I'm not a professional, just mostly I've done research and seen what I should do, and pinholes are a bad thing, I know about that, but we're just going to try it and see how it lasts. Starting to get a little bit dark on me. I just got some regular distilled white vinegar, and I'm gonna pour it on that bad boy. Let it dry, and then I'm gonna cover it with acid etch primer from U-POL Raptor liner. We plan on doing the whole truck in Raptor liner, so let's do this, see how it turns out. I don't know how well the distilled white vinegar works with rust, but I know after putting it on there, if you can see, man, it cleaned it up nice. It got some of the other rust parts off. There's some deep rust in there. I've went over it several times since the video and keep putting the vinegar on it. I'm gonna let it dry off and then prime it, man, see what happens. How cool is this Craftsman light I just bought? Let's see if I can turn it around. I've got it hooked on the back of the window. It's not made for that, but it works pretty good. And it is super bright. And it lights up good. Can see real good what I'm doing. It's pretty cool buy. It's like 40 bucks. Okay, got it sprayed. Put a little bit of masking tape. Not the best masking job. Over my weather stripping, and we spray a couple 2 light coats. Shook this bad boy for 2 minutes, so let's do it. Put you in there, you can see. Just a simple. Light coat. Let that man, you can see those pinholes way worse now that it's gray. Good news is I've got a donor truck that's rust free, and I think that I might be able to cut this section out of my donor truck and weld it in there and just get rid of that rust completely, because from everything I've learned, it's definitely going to come back. It's not rusted through on the back, but I mean, obviously it's going to sooner or later. That stuff don't stop. But we'll spray another coat on it here in a second, and I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, got the first coat on. Been 3 minutes. So we're gonna spray the second coat on. Do it a little heavier. This Raptor edge primer covers extremely well. It's thick, but like I said, those pinholes did not look good. So we're gonna have to cut that out and either put a piece of metal back there, or like I said, I got a parts car that I can cut and possibly put that back in there without having to cut out the whole side corner of the cab. Hopefully that's what I can do. But we still like the other side. May show a video on that. I'm not sure it's the same exact process. But thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Average Beau.